CapCut free? I mean, is CapCut Pro really free? In this video, I'll be telling you if CapCut Pro version that people are claiming that is free, if it is free or if it is not free. This video is going to be kind of a practical video. This is our CapCut interface.
From here already, you can see it's showing us upgrade now. I'm not ready to upgrade, sorry, CapCut. So now, look at, if you see here, it's showing free. But see here, it's showing Pro. Now let's try to create something or work on a video. Let us try to work on a video, okay? Let us say we are trying to work on this video, okay? All right. Let's go to captions. Okay, from here you can already see. You can already see it's showing Pro here. Even if you want to turn this on, it's going to let you turn this on. But when you want to download it, it's going to be a problem. Now, let's go to another one. Let's go to filters. Okay? So, if you click on adjust, you can see color match. If you click on color match, it's going to tell you to apply. But after applying this, okay, after applying for this, we cannot be able to export this. Let us try to export this, and you see what it's going to show. You're going to see what it's going to tell us. You see, you are using Pro feature. Upgrade to Pro for extra perks. Can you see what I'm telling you? This is the problem. This is the problem. Okay, now let's go to stickers, the most easiest of it, or the one we usually go for all the time. Stickers. Even for stickers, you will see that there are stickers that you can't use. Okay, can you see them now? They are still loading. Can you see these stickers? You can't use these ones. All these stickers. You will use them.
CapCut free?
You see.
I mean,
you are going to use them. You can't download, like you can't export it. When you want to export this again, you see what is showing us. Upgrade to Pro for extra perks, because I used what? Pro version. Now let me show you what most of these content creators are doing for them to start telling you that CapCut Pro is free. Now they are going to go to, as you can see, I'm using a phone recorder here. You can see it, a screen recorder or a phone recorder. So they are going to go to this phone recorder. They are going to record their video from the beginning to the end. They are going to record their video from beginning to the end. So after recording this video from beginning, they play it. Play it to the end. Then they will pause it when it gets to the end. So after screen recording that video from beginning to the end with all those effects that they have marked Pro, that CapCut have marked Pro, those Pro features, they are going to go out of CapCut. Now come into CapCut again and import that video as a new creation. They import that video as a new creation.
A new edit, as if it's a new video that they have already done what? Screen recorded. They import and zoom it to fit 16:9 ratio and to fit in very well, that you can't see any loophole from this video. This is what they do. But there is one disadvantage of this. After doing this, exporting, importing back and exporting again, your video quality is dropping. Your audio quality is dropping. Everything about the video is dropping. It may not be too significant, but it is. You are the one that filmed that video, edited it. When you carry that already downloaded or screen recorded video back to your CapCut, you can see that it's not the same. The quality dropped a bit. Even if it's not much, it dropped a bit. If it's someone that is a perfectionist, the person will not use it at all. person won't like to use that video because it's going to look different from what he or she have already worked with before screen recording. So that is pretty much it. And after fitting it in, but before they import it back into CapCut to re-edit it and fitting into the screen and everything, they have already cut out the side that they don't want. Or you can still come into your CapCut app and cut it out. So when you get to the end, that place that you don't want to show, you just cut it out from there. The beginning part also, the place you don't want to show, you cut it out from there, and voila, a new video with CapCut Pro features. So now, is CapCut Pro free or not? So for me, I will tell you that CapCut Pro is free and CapCut Pro features is not free at the same time. So it's a yes and no kind of answer, depending on the one that you want to take. I've actually given you everything you need to know about CapCut Pro features and why you should go for it and why you should not go for it. It just depends on you. If you got value from this video and you would like to see contents like this, please kindly support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. Drop a comment on the comment section if you want us to film any particular video. We'll try as much as possible to give you exactly what you requested for. Without further ado, I'll be seeing you on the next video. So do take care of yourself and stay blessed.